This is just something I have to put in film right here. You can't even open up the door. Look at this. Woo. Damn. I think when all this is done, I don't even think you can see the plants.
I don't even know, like, where is the...
Yeah, this is crazy. You'd be surprised. Some people actually love the snow.
I don't mind it.
But when it's so much. Oh, this shit is a workout for real. For the most part done. More is still supposed to come down, but
Street on the highways, I think you never take the gum out of the belt. The LIE, they take certain shit down. You get caught on the highway, you getting a ticket.
oh shit. I didn't know it was that serious.
They don't want you on the street.
And
The state of emergency. SWAT team shit, probably.
SWAT team.
Yo, that's usually what I think about when I think of state of emergency. I be thinking about the SWAT.
A ticket for being.
Right,
This is like 9/11.
yo, man, you hear the sirens going on?
Yeah, I do hear it.
Like a war zone. Came over there, I mean,
The snowball right there, yeah.
But don't fit it.
Nah.
Oh, don't fit it, bro.
Nah, yo, chill. Come on.
Get on.
Get it on camera. It'll be good for the camera, but you gotta be.
It's mad soft. How you not going?
Yo, get off when you get in there.
What you gonna do, man? There's nothing you can do with this. We're playing it. We out here shoveling.
But then you gotta shovel.
Nothing.
Yeah, we gotta shovel again tomorrow. Either way.
Tomorrow, tonight, probably.
That's crazy how they doing that now. It's basically it is windy as hell. Now watch, all this shit gonna fill back up again. The storm is still going down.